What SuiteCloud enables companies to do when they use NetSuite, as well as ISVs to do when they extend NetSuite, is they can basically build anything they want to on top of our cloud infrastructure. For a customer, it might be something like building a warranty management system within NetSuite. NetSuite doesn't come with a warranty management system as a part of the core architecture, but many of our customers offer it. And so when they add these tables to the database to deal with warranties and add functionality on top of that, it automatically appears as if our developers built it. The warranty management system can be attached to the item record or the product record in NetSuite and the customer record in NetSuite. So it automatically connects up to everything else we've built. It looks like NetSuite, it behaves like NetSuite, it can be reported on as if our own developers built it. For ISVs, there are many new platforms coming out in cloud computing. And so there are multiple ways that ISVs will use these platforms. In the case of NetSuite and SuiteCloud, what we're having our ISVs do is basically focus around verticalizing our application for different types of businesses. Since most companies use NetSuite to run a business, domain knowledge about that business is very important in terms of customizing the application. So what our ISVs do is take the core data model, take the order management system, invoicing, customer management system, and extend that data model to meet the unique needs of particular types of businesses. Our SuiteCloud ecosystem for ISVs really targets companies that are extending the core NetSuite business application for different types of companies. So a great example is Iron Solutions. Iron Solutions is the Kelley Blue Book of farm trade-in information. So every time a John Deere dealership sells a tractor, it usually takes one in on trade, and Kelley and Iron basically says this is how much that tractor, that trade-in is worth. What they've done with NetSuite now is to combine that data with their understanding of the heavy equipment distribution process and built a dealer management system designed for people selling heavy farm equipment. So for example, Case New Holland is using that new version of NetSuite that was built by Iron Solutions to automate their dealership chain in the US. So this is a great example of bringing together the core system architecture of NetSuite to run a business and combining that with the domain knowledge of, in this case, how do I run a farm dealership, to create a whole new application designed specifically for that particular type of business. To enable ISVs to take advantage of the SuiteCloud environment, we've created something called the SuiteCloud Developer Network. And what this offers to ISVs is really the technical support, the product support, and the go-to-market support for how to build applications on top of the NetSuite SuiteCloud environment, number one. But number two, then how do we go to market? How do we work together to identify the appropriate industries and markets to bring these new third-party ISV applications so that they can benefit customers? The benefits for ISVs of building on the SuiteCloud environment, building on NetSuite, are enormous. First of all, they get the benefit of having one of the world's largest cloud infrastructures underpinning their application. So when they build on NetSuite, they leverage our data center, our redundancy, all of those things become available to them. Secondly, they get to access arguably the world's largest installed base of cloud-based ERP customers. So they have a ready-made opportunity to add value for those customers. And thirdly, if they're already an ISV and they've built vertical applications, they get a way to accelerate the move of their traditional client-server applications to the cloud, because no longer do they have to worry about them building a data center, them building the underpinnings of this application. We've already built all of those things. They can simply focus on building their next generation application on top of that infrastructure and get to market much more quickly than they would if they had to do all of that themselves.